welcome to the e-learning classes of CBM Higher Secondary English Medium School. Again, after so long vacation of Diwali break, we are resuming our e-learning classes today, and the topic for the today's e-learning classes for English medium students is note making, making notes. Both are one and the same. It is a 5 marks question in section B, question number 53, 5 marks or question. It's quite easier and very affordable for all the students, those who are interested in reading synopsis, passages and lot more. Now you will have a question that what is making notes? From first standard to the 12th standard, in one way or the other way, we have tried to make notes. What we do when teachers are teaching us in the classroom on some topics, we don't write everything about whatever the teacher has spoken in the class. Even we are not noticing sometimes about those points, but somewhere in our minds and with our pen we do write some points which we find important for the topic, and that requires a presence of mind, and that helps us to make the note. Now the first question related to this note making, you will be very quite interested in to ask, how can we do this? So it requires a skill, advanced skill of writings. For note making, we must have the advanced skill of writing. Now advanced skill, what is this advanced skill? Advanced skill means you will have to identify which are the important points and which convey proper knowledge to all the rest of the points, which push up the whole topic that is given here in the form of passage. It requires also knowledge that what is needed to remember for this note making. It needs to remember the main points. You will have to classify the main points. It is complex activity. Means you will be confused whether which points we considered important one and which one a minor one. But you will have to classify it very separately and write down those points. That will be your note making. Now again, if we have this question, how to make note making, so far our topic of the given passage is not clear. We cannot in a position to write about the points of making notes, note making. So what should we do? Read it, because every given passage is on particular topics. So that might be on sports, education, health, it's regarding science, scientific technology, computer, informations, and so many things. on which any topic can be given to you. So after your first and second and thrice reading, you may be in a position to know about the importance, or you can say the topic on which you can easily understand that these are the points on which the topic is woven around. So as I said, you will have to read it. When you are doing this procedure, you come to know about the headings, means the main topic, main points of the notes or the passage. Now when you come to know about these headings, you will have to write it in the center of the page layout. That will become your, for example, it is about education, right? You need to write about that in the center of the page. Keep the margin on both the sides, left and right, and write this heading in the center of the page. That will be the making notes heading in the answer. Okay, now that heading is also associated with its sub headings, means any one particular topic is not discussed or talked about or written in that passage on just one topic. That's not possible. It has several other subheadings, means it has several other points which is associated with these headings that make the topic quite reasonable to understand. Any explanation is not possible without connecting the heading with its subheading, right? So when you are writing the heading, it is associated with its subheading, means as the heading has its main points focused on the topic, in the same way its subheadings are also connecting each other with the subheadings or points in the passage, which make the passage of that topic quite easily understandable, and that can be understood. So it requires that explanation, and that will help you to identify the subheadings. So subheadings might be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. You can give numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 like this, and you can also mention syllables A, B, C, D wise points separately accordingly, numbers or syllables. So subheadings may be of 3 or more types, and that subheadings too have their own points that will enable you to understand those subheadings quite easily. Okay, so that is about subheading. Now coming to the last point, and that is about the points means on the basis of which the whole passage is written on, explained on, and further it comes to the end of the reader and viewer and critics that this is the passage on this particular topic. So you will have to write those points, keeping the margin on the left, having dash or something like that to make it clear that these are not the sentences but the points of this note making types. and that will help you to make your note making quite decent. It will be decent, neat and clean. With your writings, you also need to take care of your page layout. It must be neat and clean. There must not be zigzag or any sort of confusion in your writing. So if you are following these techniques of making the points for the headings and subheadings particularly in the lines to come in the making notes, so you will follow this technique. Indenting main points of those making notes will highlight the making notes very easily. Whosoever will read these points will easily understood that the note making is strictly based on this passage, and that will impart the knowledge in the reader and viewer and critics that these are the points that the passage is discussing about or talking about or narrated about, all in that making notes. So that's how those who are writing letters, those who have offered commercial correspondence, they will easily understand about the indent letters, right? So keep margin on the left, and that will make your making notes quite praiseworthy, appreciated and marks oriented. Full marks, 5 marks will be in your credit of the mark sheet. So this is about the making notes. I hope you all must have understood. You will have to follow it. Take your time to understand this topic and keep these 5 marks in target to achieve your higher rank. Thank you very much.